Hi friends, we are very happy to say Durgasoft conducting Python talent test every Sunday evening at 5 o'clock. Okay, so if you attend this talent test, what are various benefits you people are going to get? Just if you face that talent test, if you are seeing the questions related to talent test, what benefits you people are going to get? Just observe that. So to check gaps in your knowledge level, sir, some people are going to feel I know Python very well, but once you start writing the test, so if you are not perfect somewhere, then you can identify those gaps very easily, right? The second one, to clear Microsoft certification very easily, sir, because the reason for that is all the questions whatever we are keeping inside talent test, those things are more or less similar to Microsoft Python certification exam bits only. That's why, so if you clear this talent test, very easily you can clear original Microsoft Python certification talent test, sir, I'm sure. Okay, next, to know real time scenarios. Have you observed in that it is not something like a question 4 options. So there every question is going to talk about one scenario, so that real time scenarios you people are going to get. Okay, next, to get perfection in the subject, obviously to clear job based written test and interviews very easily, sir, definitely yes, sir, this talent test is going to be helpful. So better to attend this talent test every Sunday evening 5 o'clock. Better to spread this good news even to your friends also. Okay, well, last 2 weeks, okay, the toppers whoever there just with us, just I will introduce, so that the what we call the gift, next cash prize we are going to distribute, sir. So Mahesh ready, he is the topper in the last week, I hope, correct, right? Last week how much score you got? 28 marks out of 30. He got 28 marks. He is from Chittoor, Andhra Pradesh, sir. Okay, so a small cash prize, okay, not small, okay, cash prize, man, and a small gift from Durgasoft. Okay, thank you, man. Yeah, just wait. Another person. So before last week, so last we didn't give. Do you know, last week also we didn't celebrate this one, sir. Okay, so this person is Akash Verma. You are from Gwalior, from Madhya Pradesh. Okay, he got 30 out of 30. Okay, good, man. This is a small, okay, gift cash prize, and okay, so this one is a small gift from Durgasoft side. So be ready for the next week. Better to get the gift and cash prize, okay, like this from me. Okay, all the best, sir. Thank you.